I just wanted to make a quick update on the RedLine tuning hood quick lift system. It is broken. But no worries, I reached out to the company and they reached out back and they sent me the replacement item that I need. Bam, there it is, brand spanking new. Thank you so much, RedLine Tuning. I did not expect for them to send me a replacement. Oh, I am downhill and this thing keeps rolling. And stop rolling. And they sent me a replacement, and here it is. The only thing I needed was this little shock, little observer, this little gas hydraulic shock. I don't know what you want to call it. It's the hood prop. Bam. And there it is. Man, I've missed this sucker so much. Now I'm going to install this back. Simply click this into place. This will go right down in here, and there it is. And just close the little door and we are set. Sweet. There it is. Hopefully this thing does not mess up anymore. It's made in the USA. Boom, boom, boom. Stainless steel. Now we could get the old hood prop out of the way. I still have this in case that were to fail. And ha ha ha, I love this hood prop. So much easier. Oh, I missed you. Oh, I missed you. I swear that is the best modification I've done to this car. That hood prop. Well, now that we have that installed, we're good to go. Sweet. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And make sure you follow me. Sweet. Thank you, RedLine Tuning. I did not expect this at all whatsoever. You guys are sweet. Woohoo. Make sure you check them out and buy their product. Ooh, I hope it's lifetime guarantee. Thank you for watching.